Hello everyone. In the fluid mechanics first chapter in the properties of fluid we are discussed about the part 1 basic definitions. Next in the part 2 types of fluid. In the types of fluid there are two types of fluid for us, Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. So in the non-Newtonian fluid we have the time independent and time dependent. What are the example for the time independent is dilatant fluid, Bingham plastic and pseudoplastic. For the time dependent, thixotropic and rugoplastic. So this is a graph for the different types of fluids. So you can see that in the x-axis rate of shear strain and in the y-axis is shear stress. So here we can see the curve. This is dilatant, this is Newtonian and this is pseudoplastic. Next one is rugoplastic, ideal plastic and thixotropic. From this point, this is up to B is initial stress from the origin, from the point B it is shear stress. We have to observe here. In the x-axis is rate of shear strain. X-axis act as a ideal fluid also. So in the examinations of previous year examinations, AEE, AE and IES gate, one question will be fall in this graph. So he will ask in this way, what are the example for the pseudoplastic or what are the example for the rugoplastic? In this way he will ask the question. So we can see that what are the example for different type of fluids. Newtonian fluid, the fluid which follows Newton's law of viscosity is known as Newtonian fluid. What are the example for it? Water, air and gasoline. Next one is non-Newtonian fluid. Those do not follow the Newton's law of viscosity is known as non-Newtonian fluid. So in that first one is pseudoplastic. What are the example for the pseudoplastic? Paper pulp, rubber solution, lipsticks and paints, blend, polymetric solution. These are the example for the pseudoplastic fluids. Next one is dilatant fluid. For the dilatant fluid, what are the example? Butter and quicksand. We know that quicksand in the geotechnical engineering we will get the quicksand. So dilatant fluid, what are the example? Butter and quicksand. Next one is Bingham plastic or ideal plastic. Bingham plastic also known as ideal plastic. Example, what are the example for us? Sewage sludge, drilling mud and toothpaste and also gel. These are the example for the Bingham plastic. Next one, fourth one is thixotropic fluid. What is thixotropic fluid? The viscosity increases with the time. For which material or for which viscosity increases with the time? You can see what are the example? Enamels and printer ink. Next one, fifth one is rugoplastic fluid. Viscosity decreases with time is known as rugoplastic fluids. What are the example for it? Gypsum solution in water and bentonite solution. Okay, this is about the types of fluid. Next one is capillary rise. So in the capillary rise we have the three major points. So first one is formula 4 sigma cos theta by rho g into d. Next one is the capillary action will occur in both cohesion and adhesion. The next point is the diameter of the capillary tube is less than 3 centimeter. These three basic major important things last previous examination will be asked. So this is about the first chapter of fluid mechanics. The next chapter will be continued in the next class. Okay, thank you.